on that butt end. Okay, that butt end
was not really cool. I will be the first to admit, man, that was not exactly the greatest plan I could have made.
See, he was trying to show off for the camera, and this is why you never record while Mark's... Oh, man, that would make a nice slingshot.
I was not trying to show off to nobody. I'm tired, and that's what happens at the end of the day when you get tired and stupid. At least I caught myself that time before I caught my foot.
Legend. Legend, legend, legend. Look at all you cute doggies. Come on, everybody, line up so I can go in order. Gypsy, Dude, Brittany, Chase, Ellie, Ruby, Legend, and Scotty are the cohorts for the day. As Legend's going home, of course, Chase is going home, and he's getting a bath. You dirty, dirty dog. Not too bad, man. You did pretty good. Are you going to finish all these off today?
Yeah. It's only a few holes. Hey, man.
That's a nice already done piece of wood, man. What is that doing out here? What?
It's a funny, man, split into it. I'd have to cut it again, probably about there.
Why?
Because it's all bad. But then you could plane it down. It'd be a nice...
Oh, you're talking about an actual piece for wood burning or something, right?
Not wood burning, but I carved my games into it, remember?
Oh.